Okay guys, starting off with the makeup, I'm going into Urban Decay Primer Potion and going into Love Letter from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to be packing that into my outer corner and my crease because I just want this to be a very dark look. We're going for Gryffindor colors, obviously, with the outfit. And if any of you guys would be interested in me doing all the other houses, just let me know. That would be a lot of fun. But now I'm just going to be going in with Venetian Red from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just going to be packing that all over the lid itself. It has a bit of a shimmer to it compared to Love Letter being very matte. With that same red, I'm going to be packing it on the lower lash line. And then I'm taking NYX That's the Point Thick Bold Eyeliner just to make a really chunky wing for today. So after getting down that very advanced wizardry of the wing, we are going to be going into Wet n Wild Gold Eyeliner. And this stuff, honestly, it's so cheap, but it works so amazing. I'm just going to be putting it over the eyeliner I did, and then also putting it right above my crease to create a really nice halo effect, as well as lining the underneath part of the wing. This stuff, oh, I just love it. It adds that magical effect. Now I'm going to be taking Kat Von D Basket Case Eyeliner, and I'm just going to be defining my lower lash line, but only going about halfway. For mascara, I'm using the Superhero It Cosmetics, and I'm just going to be coating my top and bottom eyelashes with it. And because I do everything backwards, I'm now taking my Glamouflage by Hard Candy Concealer. I'm just going to be putting that underneath my eyes. I don't really use much foundation, so this is what I do, and I just highlight any little spots with it, cover up any blemishes. And now with my Anastasia contour kit, I'm going to be going into that lightest shade and buffing that all over. And then with the Kat Von D Shade and Light contour kit, I'm going to be taking Somber and contouring my nose as well as my cheekbones. And some more Wet n Wild, we're going into the highlighting powder in Blossom Glow, and just going to be highlighting all the parts you usually highlight, the nose, the cheekbones, inner corner, as well as your eyebrow. And my personal favorite part, because who needs a broomstick when you can just fly away with your eyelashes? Lolita by Kat Von D is our lip color of choice. My camera actually cut out, so here I'm just reapplying it so it actually looks like I did. But with all that being said, here's the lovely Gryffindor house look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this Get Ready with me, and I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And here's me getting really excited at the fact that my ring light makes it look like I have Harry Potter glasses on. But anyway, don't forget, if you want to wear some glasses, do it up, girl. But if you try to recreate this look, let me know. Tag me in it on Instagram, which is my name with a H. And yeah, with all that being said, thank you so much and have a very frightful day. Goodbye, warlocks and witches.